Bro, look, my next girlfriend gonna be white. I don't care about none of that. What's good, everybody? I'm Brandon. Hey, man, today I'm about to do another video from Love, Live, Serve. Shout out to the homies over at Love, Live, Serve. Rhino, Noah Boat, Tuffy. Shout out to the homies, man. Is it Tuffy or Duffy? It's Tuffy, I'm pretty sure. This video right here is when you give your white friend the aux cord. This is about to be hilarious. Y'all requested it. Don't trip. You know I got you, bro. Yeah, when you give the white homie the aux cord, it's a hit or miss. Let's keep it 1,000. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes the homies, they be knowing what's up. Sometimes the white homies don't know what's up. But they still be playing some fire, though. I ain't gonna lie. It'll just be like, hey, what band is this? This shit is fire. Y'all know I love all types of music, man. Anyway, I'm ready to laugh. I'm ready to have a great time. We about to hop on into it. Let's go.
I think Cory Booker would be a good one. Cory Booker? Yeah, why not? Why Cory Booker, bro? Okay, I think... Hey! Miles, dude!
Hey,
what the frick
Miles,
is up,
dude?
What's up, bro?
Whoa, what was that? I'm dead. What was that, bro?
Hey, what's up, brethren? My hit...
What?
What's up, brethren?
Oh,
my
my
hitters.
God.
My shooters. What's up with you guys, man? What's up, dude? What's up, man? My hitter... my brother.
Oh.
My mother.
Give me a handshake, bro.
Oh, yeah. Cool. Good to see you, man. My guy, Mike. My guy. Good to see you, dude. Lock it like that. That's how y'all do it, right? With the lock. Yeah. What's up? My shooters, my hitters. What's up with y'all,
What's up, man? Did you watch the Democratic debate?
Yeah.
No.
Yes,
No.
I did.
Oh, yeah?
Keep that shit
who you voting
1,000.
for?
No. I pay zero attention to politics. I will keep it all the way 1,000 with y'all.
That's kind of a personal question, so I probably would not want to answer that. Yeah, politics and stuff. I don't want to bring politics and everything.
Republican.
Yeah.
Oh.
But I was actually trying to get something to eat. Y'all want to slide real quick? Where you want to go? Let's go to the St. Charles Mall. St. Charles Mall? Yeah, that's cool. Let's go. Cool, let's go. Man, I feel safe rolling with y'all, man. ain't nobody gonna test us, right? Alrighty. Off to the mall. You mind if I get the aux cord? Let's grab that real quick. Okay. Plug that in. Alrighty, I got some tunes for us today. Alright, let me just play the first song. Here we go, and we're off. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 M's in my bank account. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Is this the acoustic remix to 21 Savage bank account? Nigga, I'm dead.
Shooters ready to gun you down. I buy a new car for the bitch. I tear down the mall with a bitch. You can't even talk to the bitch. She fucking with bosses and shit. I pull up in Rars and shit. With choppers and Harleys and shit.
Hey.
I big Gucci down. You wearing Lacoste and shit.
Hey.
Montclair, yeah. Fur came off of that.
You gotta have a bass drop, though. Have a bass drop.
Put me in a chair.
Hey, bro, can you put something else on? You change this?
Oh,
yeah.
something different?
Yeah, something different.
Oh, yeah,
Something
okay.
different,
Yeah,
something
cool, I'll
different.
put something else on for y'all. Here we go.
Little pump. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
Bro.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Spend 3 racks on a new chain, yeah. My bitch lived to do cocaine.
Yeah.
I fuck a bitch and I forgot her name.
Yeah.
I can't buy a bitch no wedding ring, no.
Hey. This is low-key fuego, nigga.
They go buy and Balmains, yeah. Gucci gang.
Yo, turn this off, bro. Change it. Turn it off.
Oh, wait.
Change it.
Oh.
Turn it off.
Oh, different song?
Yes.
Was that you don't like
different
that?
song, please.
I am so sorry about that, guys. Y'all didn't like the country?
No, bro, I don't like
Oh,
the
my
country,
fault.
no.
Oh, that was that is my
Yeah,
fault,
play
dude.
something else.
That is my
Better
fault.
than my fault,
completely.
dude.
Here we go.
My fault, dude.
Teen drinking is very, very, very bad. Yo, I got a fake ID though. Yeah.
What? Yeah. Yeah.
Yo.
Two-step.
Give me
2-step.
1. Here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. Everybody jump out on the dance floor. Baby girl asked to go, she want more. What's your
What is this remix, though? It sounds like Alvin and the Chipmunks, kind of, but it sounds more so like a woman.
and I ain't even on tour. Baby, cause she heard that I'm hardcore. Baby, cause she heard that I'm bad at the
I'll be like, first off, this song too old. Why you even playing it? And now you gotta move on to the next.
Bro, can we please just listen to the radio?
Please.
Right?
Whoa,
I'd rather hear the radio too. Keep
Oh,
it down.
radio?
Yes,
Radio.
yes, the radio, please.
Oh, I'm sorry. Well, I have the local radio station on my thing.
It's okay, I'll pick it.
Oh, here, let me, I got it. Here, go ahead and change this. Sorry about that.
Kiss
My fault, my
FM.
brothers. My fault. My hitters. All right, well, let me just do
My
one more
hitters.
song on my thing, okay? This is the last one on my playlist.
My
This one
shatas.
is on the spot, one of my playlists that I had on my thing.
All right, go ahead.
All right, here we go.
Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Woke up to niggas talking like me.
Cotton. I'm a slave god. I'm a slave god. You know they picking cotton. I'm a slave god. I'm a slave god.
My nigga said,
Woke up to niggas picking cotton. Pick. Woke up to niggas escaping. Woke up to niggas picking cotton. Pick. Woke up to niggas escaping. Woke up. I woke up.
this nigga hit the woke up. It said woke up to niggas picking cotton, woke up to niggas escaping. I'm dead.
To niggas
I'm
picking
dead.
cotton. Woke up. I woke up to niggas escaping. Woke up. Woke up to niggas
I'm like, bro, you gotta
picking
get
cotton.
out.
Woke up.
You gotta get out.
Woke up to niggas escaping. Ooh, I bet they running. Yeah, they running.
Yo, get the fuck out, bro. Get the fuck out. Get out. Get out, bro. Get out.
What?
Get out, bro.
Oh, we not going to the
Get out,
mall?
bro.
We not going to the mall?
Bro.
So what was the issue?
Bro, those songs are racist.
Me?
Yes.
Racist?
Me?
Now wait a minute.
Racist?
Miles, my brother, Mike, look, I didn't know that was racist. You guys know me. I'm the most least racist person you guys know. My
Watch him turn his hat
cousin's
around.
Uncle dated
Make
a
America
black girl
great
once.
again. I swear.
I mean, why does everything have to be about race? You know? Like, well, just stop talking about it, right? I mean, to be honest, I don't even see color. Like, what? Like, we're all the same, pretty much. Except for the racial injustice. But, like, look. If anything, y'all are the racists. Because I don't even see... I don't even know.
Just leave it
about any of this
alone,
stuff.
my guy.
I'm not a racist.
Leave it alone,
It doesn't
my
even
guy.
matter. Like, I know you didn't intend to be racist, but the songs you were playing were still racist, bro. You were being insensitive toward us, like, and then you were trying to blame us. Like, it doesn't matter, like, about you not even being a racist. It's just the fact that you can't blame us for that. Like, and plus you said you don't see color. You should see color.
Exactly, man.
Like, come on, bro.
Look, I understand, okay? Like, I'm sorry, but I'm not a racist. And how can I be a racist when my shoes are black?
Let me go.
Right?
Where y'all going?
Just leave, my dude.
Where?
The homie said, how can I be racist when my shoes are black?
I could have sworn, right? That's really how people be, though. People
He ain't lying. People really do be like
really
that.
be saying stuff like that, man. That's
Yeah,
crazy.
that
All
shit
right, get back to the end of the
crazy.
video. We straight into the outro. No warning, we in the outro now. Hold on, let's see all that
Hey,
stuff.
shout out Love Live Serve with another banger in this bit. Great video. Thank y'all so much for requesting it. He's not lying. Some people really do be like that. And it's unfortunate. But, you know, I understand when people that aren't black, you know, when they say I don't see color, they mostly mean like I treat you like a normal person. I don't even pay attention to the fact that you're black. I think that's what they mean by it. But that offends some black people because they feel like, no, you should recognize that I am different than you, that I am black, that I have my own struggles, but still just don't treat me differently. You know what I mean? Me personally, I used to be extremely like pro-black and like really, really just paid attention to anything that was racist. But now where I'm at in a point in my life, I'm more so about unity, more so about love and spreading love and positivity. So I don't automatically jump to everything about being race unless it's blatant. If it's not blatant, I'm not going to say it was racist. You know what I mean? Because I do understand that some people are ignorant and I forgive their ignorance too. You know? Because we're all, listen, bro, we're all one race, the human race. I don't care about none of that. At the end of the day, we are all on this earth together, living together, loving together, trying to be the best people we can be, trying to figure this thing out all together. So to me, we all are one race, the human race. That's why I don't mind interracial couples. Bro, look, my next girlfriend gonna be white. I don't care about none of that. Anyway, let me know what y'all thought down in the comments. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. See y'all next time. Peace.